Think about this. What if you could predict when your equipment would fail before it actually happens? That's exactly what predictive maintenance does in logistics. Instead of waiting for things to break down or performing unnecessary routine checks, companies can now use smart sensors and AI to monitor their equipment's health in real time. This isn't just about preventing breakdowns, it's about optimizing operations. When a logistics company implements predictive maintenance, they typically see a 20 to 30% reduction in maintenance costs and up to 50% decrease in equipment downtime. Imagine the impact on delivery times and customer satisfaction. The best part, this technology is becoming more accessible every day. Whether you're running a small delivery service or managing a large warehouse, predictive maintenance could be your key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced logistics world. See you in the next video.